We have a certain way, a modus operandi, a way of operating, and that is a fairly informal manner, but it does achieve, under these very difficult conditions, very long hours, it does achieve the right results, and that's how I operate.
Working for the crew is very dynamic. It's always on the go. Anything can happen. There are ups and downs, but that is the excitement and the joy of doing what we do.
My position in RicePack team is a crew. I do mechanic on the car. Being a crew is unpredictable. You wake up in the morning and don't know what the day's gonna be. A crash, a normal day, an engine, anything.
In racing, there's a lot of circumstances that are outside of your control. Obviously, as a team, we all try to control everything that every single individual can control, so that we put all the luck on our side to get better results.
Even when it's 15 minutes to go and every single bolt had to be basically put up together at the last minute.
I love every single one of my crew members, my mechanics. They're all so great at getting the car ready and just getting it all together.
If you press the button and it doesn't trip,
then the engine's fucked.
then something's wrong.
Car racing's hard. Everyone wants to win. Only one can win. And I'm the team principal. So a team principal has many hats to wear, not just on a race weekend, but in general. All the logistics, all the paperwork, billing, boring stuff, I know. I do all the managing of the shop work. I even drive the trucks and trailers to the events. And then when I get to the racetrack, I do basically all those things, but on a race weekend. Plus I do the engineering of the cars. That's kind of my favorite thing to do, is second the car, trying to make it go faster. But I do a fair bit of mechanics mechanical work on the race weekend. I try not to. I get my hands dirty more often than not. I started off years ago as a mechanic myself, so I take as much time as I think I can to appreciate my crew, give them any glory possible. Every US event we're doing this year, we're going to spend one full day in the area we're in. The least I can do to give back to them. The team principals, the crew are very alike, not just because we all want to win, but we all want to win, do well, and keep progressing within the motorsports ladder to make it IMSA basically, and same with the drivers. Despite all the hours I work, I love what I do. I wouldn't be doing anything else, and I'm not going to. I'm going to be racing for a long time. I love all the chaos and madness, despite sometimes maybe being a little grumpy, tired. Not only the results we get, but the fun we have behind it. We can't always win races, but we do well often. But behind all of that, we're probably the team that laughs the most and the loudest. People who know me are probably imagining my loud laugh right now. It's more than just a business. It's more than just a race team. It's really like a family. And we love it. We love this lifestyle, and wouldn't change it for a thing.